Hi everyone, I'm Ian Fennelly, and I'd like to tell you about my new online workshop, which is called Layers of Looking. Against the backdrop of New Orleans, we're going to be learning my process of looking and drawing. And this course is divided into 5 steps, from the big picture, working our way through colour and going all the way down to really smashing the detail. I'll explain the theory behind each step as I demonstrate it to you, and then at the end of each step you'll have the opportunity to turn off the video and try it out for yourself. And then you can upload your drawings, your questions or your feedback about the course to our closed Facebook group, where I'll pop in occasionally to respond. Now, if you do your homework, I promise that by the end of this course you'll learn to really look and see and draw in a completely new way. Even long after you've completed the course, you'll recall the steps you've learned here, and then you'll use those tips in your own sketching. So, are you ready to start? To subscribe to this online course, visit www.studio56boutique.com and click on the pull-down menu called Online Workshops. See you soon.